Yo. Split personality. Baby, 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 you drive me crazy. You're my Beyonce and I'm your Jay-Z. Put the ring on it, now you can't use your pockets. Got your keys to the crib and told you where my guap is. I'm gonna take you to spin it. Take you to the hour I was born, you can run it. See stars from far, but up close read comets. Shining so bright they cannot miss our coming. Niggas stop and stare, women jock your hair. But your swag natural, you just don't care. Some may talk tough, but you don't get scared. And I showed you how that bang flavor in their head. Shorty got style, she don't wear weaves. She don't do for y'all what she does for me. She stays so real, that makes her so grown. Got booty for real and that ass so grown. Whenever she leaves, she's coming back home. I don't have to worry, get stressed or be concerned. If they caught messing with her and heat will burn you. I'm teaching y'all the facts, I hope you're learning for your own good. Cause even though she classy, I'm still hood and up to no good for that good cause. And I won't call for my dogs, I draw for my falls. Instantly cock them, squeeze. Leave her sleeves in the streets to bleed. I don't want shit else, she's all that I need. But I can't stop getting money, drinking or smoking weed. I'm addicted, check this, last Christmas she alone was on my wish list. Get it? Hope so, cause I got her. And if I ain't around when she cold, she got fur. I'm no actor, call me a dapper. Me one alone make a kitty cat purr. Her kitty cat hair is so smooth. Just try, wonder what a kitty cat do. Her kitty got chewed, then kitty cat brought flues. After that kitty cat ooze, her body feel bruised, so baby gone snooze. Real bad man, hot gal done choose. I don't lock it down, it's not what I do. So baby girl cruise with a hot girl crew in a hot girl fashion. Anytime you see him, you see hot girls passing. Don't try holler cause your game's embarrassing. Not lame compared to my game. In this game, nigga, there's no comparison. I did it for my town, Waterloo stand up.